Hi, this is the first in a series of videos on visual planning. What you can see on the screen is a fairly typical Gantt chart. We've got the information has been moved from the left-hand side inside the bar. Each row contains one activity, and as we move through the plan you can see there's very little structure, colours not being used anyway. We certainly couldn't extract that sort of information onto one page. It would be difficult to present that in PowerPoint. We're not going to get much traction with the team and with stakeholders if we use that in meetings. Let me show you an alternative format. So this high density Gantt contains the same amount of information. It's been structured in a different way. Activities are now appearing several on a row where they fit with the timeline. We've used color coding. Color coding can be used to indicate any particular attribute that's of value to the team or to a stakeholder. So for instance, color could represent the planning status, ongoing activities, completed activities, etc. It could represent the function, it could represent a particular resource. And we also have the other dimension of sections. So we've structured the information into particular sections here, just section 1, section 2, 3, 4, etc. And again, they could represent different functions, different resource types, different planning statuses. We can now more easily see how we can extract that information into a PowerPoint presentation and use that with stakeholders or with the team to start to do planning and control or even scenario development. Projects sometimes fail or don't meet expectations because there's a mismatch in the information in the project management system with the information that's provided to stakeholders. Manually pulling out that information is time-consuming and unnecessary. If we can bring that information from the planning system directly into this format, the team and stakeholders can be assured that information is current and is the real planning information used by the team. As I mentioned, this is the first in a series of videos. If you want to go on to Visual Planning Part 1, we'll describe how to start to build a plan from scratch of this type of complexity. Thank you.